Now, while the top court is all set to resume hearing in the Arjikar case today, it's a report that is going to be submitted by the Mamata Banerjee government on the safety protocols and the safety measures that have been taken by the state government for the doctors across the state. In fact, note just ahead of the top court hearing, the visuals on your screens are from last evening when the junior doctors staged a torch rally from Sham Bazar to the Arjikar hospital, and this in solidarity with all that has happened last month in this case, be it the evidence tampering and the botched up probe by the state police. Let's first up listen in to the voices of the protesting doctors who say that their stir would continue until all the demands are met by Mamata Banerjee government.
डिमांड हमारी शुरू से वही है, हमारी 5 मांगे हैं जो अभी तक कुछ भी पूरी नहीं हुई है और हमने जो एसेंशियल सर्विसेज इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी जो ज्वाइन किया ये सोच के कि हमें अब समाज के साथ चलना है, हमें समाज के पेशेंट्स के लिए हमें रहना है। उसके बीच सागर दत्ता अस्पताल में जो दुर्घटना घटी एक डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर जो वायलेंस हुआ, एक फीमेल डॉक्टर के ऊपर जो किया गया, तो हम एकदम भी उससे खुश नहीं है। और जो भी हमारी मीटिंग्स हुई है रेस्पेक्टेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर के साथ या रेस्पेक्टेबल गवर्नमेंट के साथ, उससे हमें यही पता चल रहा है कि आज हम जहाँ खड़े हैं हमें कुछ नहीं मिला है, हमें अभी तक कुछ नहीं मिला है, ना हमें अभया का इंसाफ मिला है, ना हमें हमारी मांगे मिली है, ना सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी, कुछ भी नहीं मिला है हमें। तो इसका मतलब यही है कि डॉक्टर सेफ नहीं है और नो सेफ्टी नो ड्यूटी, यही हम कहना चाहेंगे।
Let's go across to Riyanka also. She's joining us live from the national capital. Riyanka, while the doctors have resumed their duties, the junior doctors in the state, all their demands have not yet been met by the Mamata Banerjee government. Once again, take us through what their demands are now and also the hearing that took place in the top court last time around and the scathing observations that were made by the top court.
See, since the beginning of this case, the probe and in the investigation, the doctors have not been happy. The junior doctors have continued to hit the streets in the entire nation. After the request of the Supreme Court and the assurances given by the state and the administration, the doctors had resumed their work. But what they saw were another assault incident that had happened in 2 state-run hospitals in West Bengal, where 3 doctors and 3 nurses were assaulted by a patient's family on the death of the patients. On this, the doctors have come out with more anger once again, and they have hit the streets yesterday. And what they have now demanded is that the safety and security measures must be put in place, as they find it to be an unsuccessful event, given that they have been holding several conversations with the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. The doctors have come out in open and said that they will be waiting for the hearing today and the submissions by the state government in terms of their security measures for the doctors and the nurses and the healthcare professionals in the state. And after that, they will be deciding whether or not to get back to the complete cease of work, that is the complete shutdown of the OPDs once again, because they continue to strike regarding the fall of safety and security measures of the doctors in several hospitals in the state of West Bengal. They've also asked that the fact that justice for Abhaya is still remaining. On the other hand, the Supreme Court will be once again resuming its hearing today. A 3-judge bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud will be hearing the submissions from the state government as well as from the side of the CBI in terms of the interrogation and investigation. Remember, in the previous hearing, the Supreme Court had pulled up the state government for not being able to provide proper security measures. So, Samiksha, we have to wait and see what happens today in the hearing.
All right, Riyanka, thank you for the moment. We will, of course, come back to you when the hearing begins. For now, we switch focus to the other stories that we are tracking.